Hi everyone, this is Deb, Deb Hauk, Deb Hauk's Crafty Cottage, and I'm here with the beginning of the Oh So Inspired collaboration. So, forgive the messy desk, but I'm a work in progress here. This week we were inspired by this, I think it was a blog, excuse me, and it was DIY embellishments with Kelly stamps. And this lady's name is Diane, and she's from New Zealand. And so embellishments is the theme. I will have the link to this below. It is a blogspot, dearlyd.blogspot.ca, and it's from 2016. This collaboration is run by Alicia over at Call Me Crafty Owl. She is taking a break from it this month, but the others will be linked below. So please do go show them some crafty love as well after you finish watching mine. Okay, so what she basically has is all same color theme, but using up different scallops and banners and whatnot, butterflies. I know she has a lot of butterflies. So she had punched out or die cut a lot of these things and then just wanted to make some embellishments with them. And there's words on them and things. So hers is more craft and navy and whatnot. So let me show you what I'm doing. I had bought these recently, these 30 by 30 inch, 30 by 30 millimeter, excuse me, acrylic white squares from Fire Mountain Gems recently, and I got them with the intent of doing some kind of embellishment. So these are what they look like. I have two left, and I'm using some scraps, and I'm just putting down little squares. These are little 1-inch squares on top. So I have two more here to cut out to do, and I honestly don't know what I'm going to do beyond that. I think I have some butterfly cutouts also that I've done recently, and in the past I have some purplish ones from that this and that over in Ireland had gifted me last year. And I'm just using Mod Podge on these. Anyway, I'm going to try and use those on these little pieces of dahlia paper that are left. And really all these are just 1-inch squares from different pieces of scrap. These last two that I'm working on, you might recognize the paper. These are left from the little bit of scraps I had left from last month's one paper pad challenge. I did have still a little bit of scraps left from that, and I'm using them up slowly but surely. So just showing you what I'm doing, but then I'm going to come back soon. I'm not going to do a whole process video, but I will come back with finished products and share them with you. Hopefully they turn out okay. I think I have, for this one, this was from that coffee bean paper, and I think I have a little pink coffee cup die cut in my where I store all my little die cuts. So this was coffee themed, and I'm going to try and do that one with a coffee cup. So let me get off of here. I'm letting these dry a little bit, and I'll come back with the finished ones. All right, so talk to you soon. Bye bye. Well, forgive my messy finger. Hello everyone, I'm back. Okay, so remembering this is our inspiration from dearlydblogspot.ca, and this is by Diane in New Zealand. It just says Zealand, but I think that's supposed to be New Zealand. Anyway, here is what I did. I have 4 more to do that I ran out of time, but I did manage to get, let's see, 3, 6, 9, 10 done. Does that make sense? 3, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah, I got 10 done. Huh, so I guess this said pack of 12, but I had 14. Because I do have 4 more started, but I ran out of time. So I decided I'm going to make these into magnets. These were the little squares that look like this, that are acrylic. And so then I started thinking, oh, well, this is great. They're really cute, but what am I going to use them for? So they are all going to be turned into magnets. They're not done as far as magnets being put on yet, and I'm not going to be able to lift all of them up because some of them are wet. But I'm going to do these in order. This is the first one. This is a piece of paper I had left over. I think it was from a Simple Stories pack, but I can't be sure. Because I'm using scraps, guys. I am using up scraps. This pink flower was gifted to me last year, as some of the others that I'll show later were. This sticker's from the Susan Wingate, and there's paper under there that I can't remember where it was from. And there's another little flower under there too, so just layered, and the sticker says Hope. So I thought that was cute. The colors I thought were good in it. Now the next two, I had these 2 leftover round stickers from a card kit that I didn't use these. So this is a circle punch, the purple background that I had in my stash, a scallop circle. The piece of paper under it was a dahlia paper from Recollections that I'd cut a little square out of. The 2 little butterfly pieces were gifted to me by This and That over in Ireland and last year. And the thank you was from that card stock, and I left this one white also around the edges, and I put a little bit of gold glitter glue in the butterfly, which I hope you're seeing. This one, that same paper, the green and white paper, this came out of that same pack, I believe. It's flowers on one side and gray with little white plus signs on it. I had these leaf shapes already in my stash as well. So I put the scallop on the back, this other floral paper, which is this paper, actually. I used gold Sharpie permanent marker. I think they call them paint pens, but they're just the markers anyway. And a little gold bow that I believe is Offray from Walmart, and this just says "with love" on this little word sticker. That would also be nice on a package, I guess. Now this one, I didn't have anything on the back. I may color the whole back gold, but right now I only did around the edges. I had this little banner piece that was gifted to me by, it's Michelle, Little Crafts Creations, sorry. I think she changed it now to be Little Crafts Creations with Michelle. Then I had a little tiny scallop punch out in my stash, and this little heart was recently gifted to me that had some gold around the edges. And then this is one of the Dollar Tree stickers. It says "good job." And the background paper is, I can't remember the collection, but it's from a project that I had done for Memory Lane Keepsakes last year. And it has greens and blues and pink, hot pink flowers. So I thought that came out cute. That would be nice to give somebody, like a teenager or anybody who's recently done some good job. This one's all about the hearts. I had this heart scallop punch. It actually didn't quite punch out right. I think it's a Martha Stewart punch. This one I used the silver excuse me, marker around the edge because this heart here had some silver on it. That was, the paper was like that pink with silver, I think, and I double layered hearts, 2 punches. They're different punches and different shapes. And then I had these heart blings by Paper Studio, heart gemstones. And this word love is from Paper Wishes. I bought it from. It's a Love Dazzles. I don't know if you're seeing that there. And so I thought that came out cute. This one I don't think I can pick up for you because it's got wet stickles all around the butterfly edges. This is again the purple dahlia paper, but I did go around it with the gold Sharpie. There's two little purple flowers under there that are from Little Crest Creations, Michelle. Another one of this and that from Ireland's Butterflies, gold stickles, and this word is from Tim Holtz Ideology clipping stickers, and it just says to fly it to your heart. So like flying someone to their heart from you. So I thought that was beautiful. These I had, both of these, I had these blue and green flower punch outs that I don't remember if I did them or someone else gifted them to me. Today I had a piece of blue scrap paper and I just did a 1 3/4 inch scallop circle punch. The squares have just a little 1 inch square on them in the same blue, turquoisey blue paper or aqua. And then I had a blue and green little flower piece that matched these. It probably was like the centerpiece. I also had in my stash this word smile. And I just used some bling here and some turquoise stickers on the eye. And I thought that came out very pretty and summery. And I left them white because I think it went with it brought out the white in the smile and just looked real summery. Sorry. And then this one, I stuck to the paper probably accidentally. Uh-oh, there we go. I have to put a magnet, but they're still all a little wet. Same kind of deal, only this was actually a snowflake. But I thought it looked nice, like a flower, and a aqua scallop. Another one of those little flowers, and this one says live. Same bling, and actually this one I just used a bling on the live dot, the eye. And here's the one I said coffee. It's a different coffee mug than what I thought I had in my stash, but this little mug was in my stash. And this paper is from the Love You a Latte. It was a hot buy at Michael's a year ago or so. The little word that says fill my soul is from the Tim Holtz Ideology clipping stickers. And then another one of the Paper House Studio gemstone hearts. I thought that came out cute. And the last one I got to finish is this one. It's another one of those pointy flowers. I only had one in this design, so it's the more pink and orangish colors. It's white on the back, so I may add some color there. And I had another little one of those stamen pieces in the same colors. And the background paper is again the same as, this. No, I'm sorry, that's not right. I think the background paper on that one was one of my Susan Wingate papers. Anyway, and then I found on the Dollar Tree stickers it had something that says so warm, and there's a dragonfly, which is a Jolie's Boutiques. And that's it, guys. That's what I got done for my embellishments, using my scraps and punch outs and things that I had on hand, with the exception of the two aqua. I used scraps on hand, but I did punch them out today. The others, I had everything in my stash already. I'm using up the bling. I'm trying to use up, I have this little bag that has different blings and bows and things in, and I'm trying to use that up before I open new packs. So that's what I'm doing, and I hope you enjoyed it. Do go hop along to the others in the collaboration who are listed down below this video. And I guess that's it. Enjoy your Sunday, and we'll be back on the 15th of next month with another Oh So Inspired project. Talk to you soon. Hugs, love, and peace.